Hi, and welcome to Linux and Windows Help. This is episode 2. We're going to be covering web page basics and how to upload it to the web, and also an HTTP server. We're going to be using Apache2. Alright, let's get started. Right click on your desktop, this will work in Windows or Linux, and create a folder. Name it webpage. That's just to organize it so you don't lose track of your files. Go ahead and click into the folder. Right click, create document, rename it index.html, which is hypertext markup language. If you click into it, something's going wrong with Firefox. There it goes. Okay. If you click onto it, you'll see it loads a plain blank page. And that is perfectly normal because it is a brand new file and you have nothing into your web page yet. I'm going to go ahead and drag this over here. Let's get it out of the way. But yeah, see how it's blank? Well, we're going to open this. You right click on it again. Right click on it and click text editor. And it's going to load a blank white text editor because there's nothing in there yet. And we're just going to put hi on there and save it. So all it has is it's an empty document and it says hi in there. And we're going to click reload. You'll see it's plain text. It just says hi. There's no colors or nothing. But it's still a web page. It's just all you got is one word in there. It's not really doing much, but now we're gonna try first tag. We're gonna do body BG color equals. I'm gonna make it red. Now we're gonna save it and reload. Now you got the red background empty with the high regular black. We're going to open it back up again. And we're going to do a font tag. We're going to make it green. And we're going to put hello world on there. Now, whenever you do any kind of tag, to stop a tag, you want to do this. That is a slash, and that stops the tag. Otherwise, the default font all the way down would be this right here. We're going to go ahead and make it 200. And then we're going to take this, we'll leave the hi right there and we'll put a hello right here. Or bye. Because we got hello world there. So we're going to put bye. And we're going to save it. I'm going to go back to our page and reload. See, this is a standard black font, standard size. And then we made the hello world. We made it a lot bigger. And then we made bye. Because we closed the font code that allowed that to be the normal font. If we wouldn't have closed it, it would have stayed the same font. So, like if we just cut this out right here and save it, then it goes back to the 200 green. So that's the reason why you stop font or stop HTML codes. There you go. Now, after you get your page made, alright, just set a little bit right there. You saw how to edit tags and save them. I found this website. It looks pretty good. And it's got tons of HTML tags to learn from. And there's all different things. And let's say, let's find one neat. Whatever. Oh, can't find anything neat. Anyways, this has like little, we'll just use this one right here. This right here will produce this following right here. Let's go ahead and we'll highlight that. Copy. And let's go ahead and delete all our stuff. And then we're going to paste that in there. That's what we took from that website. Go ahead and save it. Now reload our page. So they took their coding and put it in ours. Any web page you go to, you can go to view source. This don't have view source in the thing. I don't know why. It's okay. You can right click, view page source. You can go to any web page and you can view the source of the web page. And you can also copy it from there too. So copy it from there too. And you can paste it into your thing the same way. So if you see a web page you like, you might be able to open up the view source and snatch a bit of their code that you like to put it into your project. Alright. Now after you get your page made, you're going to want to upload it to the internet so people can see your stuff. I searched up a free post. Looks pretty good. It's got good ratings and everything. Called biz.nf. That's pretty good. You just click sign up. You type your name and everything. You get a yourdomain.co.nf. It's free. And you just sign up, and it tells you how to upload. You probably use an FTP client to upload to it. But we're not going to do that today. What we're going to do is we're going to run an HTTP server. We're going to install Apache2. So let's open up a terminal and type sudo apt-get install Apache2. I already got it installed, so it's just going to say it's the current version. I already installed it, but I didn't do anything else to it. It's already the current version. Okay. I lost my Firefox. Let's close it down. It's alright. So after you install it, open up your browser. Go to HTTP. Yep. Go to HTTP localhost, or you can go to 127.0.0.1. It's the same thing. So that's localhost, or you can just type localhost, or you can, like I said, you can go to HTTP 127.0.0.1, which is local loopback, same thing. So it's loading, and basically it says it works, and your files are located at var www.html index.html. So to get to the files, in Linux they got it in var www. They changed the ownership to root, so you can't. I'll show you what I mean. You can just go in there. See how it's locked? I shouldn't have clicked on it. Yeah. It's alright, I can click on it, it's fine. So let's just open up the page, like you know the file that we was editing that we made. Well, this is, you can actually view the source of it and everything. Let's do the sort. There it is. And there's the source for that page, that default page they got. So that's the source for that. Quite a bit there. A lot of table action. So it's pretty cool. Shows you. Let's just shows you the coding for this thing. But now we want to put our page in there. I don't want their junk. You notice you can't delete it out of here because it's got. There's a couple ways of doing this. You can open up terminal and you can change the user and blah 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 blah. It takes a lot of time, completely pointless. Let's go ahead and click in the var, or click on this and click open as administrator. You don't want to open this directory as administrator, you want to open up right back here. And this will just give you temporary access to the folder. They have it locked down, but the only way to get there is to upload by FTP. That's the only way they want you to upload it. But you know, you get temporary access to it, and you can delete it. You have full ownership over it now. Before you was all locked down from it. So now you want to take your file that you made in webpage, just drop it off into there. Okay, now. Now it's 127.001. That was our local page. Boom! It loads our web page that we just made. And I'll show you. I got the. Let me close some of this stuff down. Cheers, always. You got things open everywhere. I don't got that much RAM to be doing that kind of stuff. All right. You see, I'm loaded up 127.0. You can do localhost too. And that's just temporary cookies. Boop, refresh. Okay, I already got the IP address of this computer. I wrote it down on this little quick reference thing. This is my local IP. And you can go to the local IP as well. Because the web server is running on port 80. If it was running on a different port, let's say if it was running on 8080, you'd want to go to 8080, and that would load a different port. But it can't connect because I don't have a server on that port. But I do have a server on 80. So that's loading your web page off of your computer. And if you have your outside address, you could have someone type your outside DNS, which is like your gateway out of your computer, and other people can go to your web page from a different computer or a network computer. And that's how servers are done. You go to web pages and stuff. But the difference between a host is, you put it online, it stays online 24/7 for you. You don't have to keep your computer on for your website. But in this demo, I just wanted to show you Apache HTTP server. You can leave it running if you want, or you can turn it off. You can uninstall it. But and that's it for the basic HTML tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please share. Please like it. Thank you.